Good afternoon, YouTube. It's Chris Green again at Greenway Outdoor Power. Customer brought this chainsaw in for me to change the blade out on, and I figured why not make a YouTube video about it, showing you how to take off and install chain on chainsaw. This particular chainsaw is a Stihl MS290, pretty big saw, especially for residential. If you're using it residential, it's a pretty big saw. But anyways, let's get started. These two nuts right here is what you're going to want to take off first, and if you're out in the field, you're going to be using one of these tools right here, one very similar to that. But since I'm in my shop, I'm just going to be using my ratchet, and it's a 3/4. You're going to want to take both of these off. Set it to your side. Pull your cover off. If it has a park brake on it, which this does, you want to release before you take it off. Some models of Husqvarnas, if you have that locked and you go to pull this off, it'll be hard to pull off, and if you pry it off, you won't be able to get it back on. There is a trick to get it back on, which I can show you in another video, but you want to release your park brake and pull your cover off. And then your next step is loosen your bar away from your tension stud there and pull your blade off. And what I like to do while I have it apart with some compressed air and wear a safety goggles, pull all that out, and then I like to get the bar like this and blow all the air through the whole entire rig right there, and then in those holes. And then we'll proceed to putting on a new chain. So we'll put this bar back on. It's going to be loose until we get everything buttoned up. Get a new chain. Another thing I was wanting to go over with y'all also is, on most bars, it tells you how many lengths your chain needs to be and the pitch. And this one is a .325 pitch, and it has 74 links. So you want to make sure you get the right chain. And then when you put the chain on, you're going to want the beveled edge facing forward. And we'll just put this on like so. We'll stick it. Make sure you get on the sprocket. I know my hands are probably in the way. And then, because this is a new chain, the other one was stretched out. What you're going to want to do is get your straight screwdriver this screw right here is your tensioner screw. Pull that back until that stud comes through your hole right there. And then I like to just get it a little tight. Then you put your cap back on, your cover. Your nuts. Don't tighten these up right yet. What you're going to want to do is, you're going to want to pull up on your bar like this. And you're going to turn this until it's a little tight, still holding up on your bar. And you want to pull on this. You don't want it to come up too far. See, that's still a little loose. You want it to make a snapping noise. And that's just right. And then you tighten up your nuts. And there you have it. Your new chain installed. Well, I hope you appreciate this video and learned something from it. Just figured I'd show you that why I had this customer's chainsaw in the shop. And again, I hope y'all have a blessed day. And we'll see you next time.